Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to cancel urban company booking. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To cancel a booking with urban company, what you need to do first is head over and open up your urban company app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is navigate to my bookings that is on the bottom of the screen. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is choose the specific booking you wish to cancel. Then simply tap on that, and then once you tap on that and then tap on the selected booking, you'll find the option that says cancel booking. Simply tap on that and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the cancellation. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next video.